Hi, this is me, Talon. I'm going to do a Mario video with K'NEX. So the first thing we're going to open is these blind bags, Mario K'NEX. Okay, so this is the guy figure that we have. He did his little baggie here. So here's him. So he's like a little fish guy, but he has hair. So that's the first one. Next one is kind of like the same one. It's series 3. Okay, this one's in a little baggie here. Coming out. Okay, so I have to build these little arms. So this is him. Let's see what he is. Yep, that's him. The last one is kind of different. This one's series 2, and this one might be a different kind of figure, like Mario or something. I hope it's not the same one. So, we got that princess one. She's missing her neck. Okay, so this one's her. Okay, so those are the blind bags, and this one is the big box one. And here's the other packs that you can collect. You can collect Mario with Wishy, with a mystery one, and the Luigi with a golden Luigi and a mystery one. So this one is Mario and Wishy. So this one's Mario and then Wishy. Okay, so now we're gonna open it up. Okay, so here. So first one is Wishy. And then the next one is oh, I just took his hand off. And then it comes with a little boomerang taped here on here. let's get that boomerang is out. And the hardest thing is to get Mario out. Okay, so here's Mario. And then the next thing is the mystery one. Let's see if we get to the mystery one. This is so exciting. Come on, open. Okay. Oh, this guy's huge. I don't know who this guy is. It's like, he's like, this boomerang. Okay. So this little hole goes onto here, but it won't go on there. So that's the boomerang. And I wanted two guys in here. I wanted like the Luigi or something. Or one of the bad guys. Okay, so that's my Mario video, and thanks for watching. Bye.